What's up, YouTube? I got new Heelys that I want to show you. I got them today from Amazon, and I bought these Heelys for $42, and I'm so excited to open this. I wonder if it goes fast. Let's open this. That was loud. No need that. These are amazing. Yay, phone blocks. I'm gonna take these out. They look like actual shoe. Weird. So here's the shoe. Like they have little Velcro. And what is it? I bet this one's yeah. See? These are how it glows up in the light. So like they have all these colors. The green, this is my favorite one. Green, blue, yellow, blue, teal. Like they have all these colors flashing, and they have color change and off. So let's take this other one. Oh, I'm taking these out. Fly, birdie, fly. Oh, here we got the back wheels. It's covered up. See the back wheels in there? The button that's right here, you press it, and the wheels pop out. And here's the front wheel. If you want it, you can take this, put it in there, and just give it a little push. And it clicks, and you got a working shoe. Oh, and it comes with a USB charger for both of the shoes. So, like the chargers, this is the charger from the light. Oh, and this is like, if you don't want the front wheel, you can use this. This helps you to take it out. So you hold it like this. It's like a little spoon, but no edge. You put it in this hole right here, the hole in the middle or in the side, and you bend it, and it pops out. And if you want it to be a normal shoe, you can just press this button. Cut it tight, and you can just squeeze the back wheel in. It's kind of, yeah. And see the slide? You can just push it forward. And if you don't want the front wheel in, you can take one of these and just plug it in. Oh. Wait a second. Yeah. Now it's like a normal shoe. You don't have any wheels. So it's kind of like a transforming shoe. But if you want the front wheels, like you can roller skate, or you can just have the back which you open and just press this button behind you. And they pop out. Pretty cool for a light up shoe. I hope you got some ideas if you're going to buy Heelys. About You Fantasy. It's a great brand, and they have Heelys and light up shoes. So go check below the description, and see you on the next. And I almost forgot to tell you, safety first. Don't forget all your knee pads and arm pads, and don't take there's like these steps that you gotta follow if you're gonna ride it without any help. So you first stand with one foot up and one foot like that, and do first balance by holding somebody that's strong enough to keep you up. And don't put your Heelys too close to each other when you're standing up. So just wanted to remind you that safety first. See you on the next one. Dabbing out of the way.